looking?
All right, Layla.
Are we gonna do a taste test?
It's a taste test. What do we say? Spin the wheel of...
Mr. Cassidy.
Okay, what should I do first?
Up first, it's the chip taste test, so keep your eyes closed.
Alright, and you gotta tell us what kind of chippies these are, okay?
And what you score them, 1 to 10. 10 is the best.
Yeah, 10 is the best, and 1 means you don't like it, okay? Okay? Okay, you gotta taste it. Don't look. Close your eyes.
Look straight at me.
No, look at Dad.
Yep.
Now close your eyes. Open your mouth.
Nope, don't look.
Cheetos!
What? Cheetos? How'd you know that?
You're smart.
I'm smart.
All right, what'd you rate that?
Between 1 and 10, what do you think?
10.
Ooh, okay.
Now, next one. You can't close your eyes and open your mouth.
Cheeto.
No.
Onions.
Oh, Funyuns,
You're
yes.
good. Okay, what do you think? Between 1 and 10, what do you think?
10.
10.
Dang. Everything's really good, huh?
All right.
Up next.
Close your eyes and open your mouth.
Popcorn.
Ooh. What do we rate that?
Is it like a 5 or 6 or 7, or is it 8 or 9 or 10?
10.
10?
Man, everything's doing really good, huh?
This one you might not know.
This
I don't
one's
know
gonna be
if you've ever
interesting.
had this one. Shut your eyes and open your mouth.
Ooh, what is that?
Have you ever had anything like that before?
I think that's a free...
Frito.
Frito.
Twisted Frito. Here, you want to see this one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What?
What do you rate that one?
What's the number you give that one?
10.
Man, all the snacks are good, huh?
Right? All right. We're going to try something different. All right, you got to tell me what this is.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Whoa!
You're
What do
good.
you rate that
10.
one?
You like your snacks, don't you?
Alrighty, on to the next round.
Gotta.
Oh, alrighty.
This one's, you got to
Soon
rate,
as you
you got
know.
to tell us what this one is next.
Here, take a little drink.
Yeah,
so
take
you...
some water. She's-
Huh, she could.
I think so. She's just grabbed it.
Alright.
All right,
Move the
close
cup
your,
out of the way.
close your eyes and open your mouth.
Ooh.
What's that?
Mint.
Yes. Is that a Tic Tac? What do you rate that?
Have you ever had a Tic Tac? No. What do you think? From 1 to 10.
10.
All right.
All the snacks are good.
All right, we're gonna do this one next. Close your eyes, open your mouth. What do you think that is?
Peach.
Oh, close.
What do you think?
Can you try again?
Orange.
No. Starts with an M.
Peach.
Rhymes with dango.
Mango.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
What do you rate that one?
A 10.
Dang, everything's a 10. All the snacks are good.
Now this one, you might not know. I'll give you a hint after you try it, okay? Close your eyes.
Mmm.
You might not know what that is.
A little sour? What is that?
I don't know.
You know that flavor of bubble water that we were drinking? With the red fruit? What was that? What did we say that was called?
What is that?
A
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
pomegranate. Good job.
What do you rate that?
10.
You
10?
really liked it?
Was
Yeah.
it good? Or was it like an 8?
It was a 10.
Okay. Alright, on to the next round. Uh-oh. Gotta keep your eyes closed. Hold on. Keep them closed. Your eyes closed? How many fingers am I holding up? No, don't look. You cheater, pull it down. All right, close your eyes.
Close them. Open. No, close your eyes. Open your mouth.
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream do you know?
Chocolate milk.
What?
Chocolate milk.
No, keep chewing.
Cow.
Cow.
Cow?
What flavor of ice cream?
Cow milk.
Cow milk ice cream.
Is it chocolate chip?
It's Cherry Garcia.
Ooh.
Cherry Garcia.
What do you rate it?
A 10.
Everything's a 10.
She likes all the snacks.
Uh-oh, this one might be...
You might know this one, this flavor.
Chocolate.
Oh, yeah. What's that one rated?
A 10.
25?
10.
All right.
Here, I gotta get you a piece of this.
And I
So,
think this is the last one.
this is the last one.
Oh.
Mommy dropped some. Hold on.
And what is that?
Cow.
Yeah, what flavor is it? Chew it.
Milk.
What kind of flavor? What's in it?
Chocolate.
And
Chocolate.
it's cookie dough.
Ooh.
Cookie dough.
And what do you rate that one?
An 8.
Really?
8? Man. All right, you can take the blindfold off. That's all. Now you talk to the camera. What do you say?
I had a great contest, and I don't know how I did this, but
Say, come join us on Good Mythical More.
come join us on Good Mythical More.
And spin the wheel of...
Mythicality.